In this video we will guide how to create an extension in ICTPbx. First, log into ICTPbx portal as an admin or tenant by entering the email and password. Select the main menu PBX and then click on the sub-menu Extensions. Click on the Add Extension button and you will be redirected to the Add Extension page. Enter the extension number and password. Select the extension type as voice or fax. Select the user from the Assign to User field. Enter the effective caller ID number from the Caller ID tab. From the Forwarding tab, select the Forward All Calls checkbox or Other two. Enter the first name and last name from the Directory tab. Click the Follow Me tab and select the Ignore/Busy checkbox. After entering all required information, click on Save button to save the extension.